Welcome to Computer Code God channel. In this video, we are going to cover MS Office, Word, Excel, PowerPoint and Access, important multiple choice questions answers with explanation. In Access table, row is also called as, the options are A. Field, B. Query, C. Form, D. Record. Let's see the options one by one. Field. A field in MS Access is a piece of information related to a single person or thing. Query. A query can either be a request for data results from user's database or for action on a data or both. Forms. Forms are objects through which users can add, edit or display the data stored in Access desktop database. Record. A record is a unit of data that includes every piece of information in a given row. A record contains specific data, like information about a particular employee or a product. The correct answer is answer D, record. The feature which starts a new line whenever a word or sentence reached a border is called. The options are A. New line, B. Auto test, C. Test line, D. Word wrap. Let's see the options one by one. Word wrap. The feature automatically transfers a word for which there is insufficient space from the end of one line of text to the beginning of the next. The three word wrapping options available in a word processing like word are tight, square and through. Auto test. Auto test holds abbreviations of longer phrases or sentences. Test line. Test line is a paragraph formatting attribute that determines the appearance of the text in a whole paragraph. New line. Pressing the enter key at the end of your line will move the cursor to the start of the new line. Pressing the shift key and enter key at the same time at the end of your line will move the cursor to the next line, without any paragraph breaks, spaces between the lines. The correct answer is answer D, word wrap. Which of the following helps to reduce spelling errors in the document? The options are A. Auto test, B. Auto format, C. Auto summarize, D. Auto correct. Let's see the options one by one. Auto test. Auto test holds abbreviations of longer phrases or sentences. Auto format. Automatically changes the formatting or appearance. Auto summarize. It is a feature that summarizes your document by examining the content and selecting sentences that best relate to the main theme. Autocorrect. Quickly fix the misspelling words and punctuation mistakes. Correct answer is answer D, autocorrect. Which feature enables us to send the same letter to different people? The options are A. Macros, B. Mail merge, C. Template, D. Table of content. Let's see the options one by one. Macros. A macro is an action or a set of actions that you can run as many times as you want. You can automate frequently used tasks by creating and running macros. Mail merge. It is a powerful tool for writing a personalized letter or email to many people at the same time. Template. Template is a document type that creates a copy of itself when you open it. You can use a template with predefined page layout, fonts, margins, and styles. Table of content. Table of content is where you list the chapters and major sections of your document alongside their page numbers. The correct answer is answer B, mail merge. In Access, dash are used to store the data. The options are A, form, B, query, C, report, D, table. Let's see the options one by one. Tables. MS Access tables are the key objects in the Access file as they contain the data that is stored in the database. Database tables are made up of rows and columns. Reports. A report is a database object when you want to present the information in your database. Form. Forms are objects through which users can add, edit, or display the data stored in Access desktop database. Query. A query can either be a request for data results from the user's database or for the action on the data, or both. The correct answer is answer D, table. Another word for graphics for a word processor. The options are A, peripheral, B, execute, C, highlight, D, clipart. The correct answer is answer D, clipart. Clipart. It refers to a graphic or a picture that you can insert in your document. It is used to enhance the appearance of a document. Which PowerPoint feature allows the user to create a simple presentation quickly? The options are A, Auto Content Wizard, B, Transition Wizard, C, Chart Wizard, D, Animations. The correct answer is answer A, Auto Content Wizard. A feature of MS Office that saves documents automatically after certain interval is called. The options are A, Save As, B, Save As Web Page, C, Backup, D, Autosave. Let's see the options in detail. Save As. Make a copy of the file in different folder or drive. Make a copy of the file with a different name. Save as web page. The file automatically converts the page to hypertext markup language, HTML. Backup. It refers to the copying of physical or virtual files or databases to a secondary location for preservation in case of equipment failure. Autosave. Saves files automatically every few seconds as you work. The correct answer is answer D, autosave. What is the shortcut for subscript the selected text? A, Alt equal, B, Control equal, C, Shift equal, D, Control Shift equal. The shortcut key Control equal is used for subscript. The shortcut key Control Shift equal is used for superscript. The correct answer is answer B, Control equal. How are data organized in a spreadsheet? The options are A. Slides, B. Words, lines and paragraph, C. Forms, queries, tables, reports, D. Rows and columns. The correct answer is D. Rows and columns. To align the selected text to the left, which shortcut key we use? A. Ctrl L, B. Ctrl R, C. Ctrl P, D. Ctrl V. Let's see the options one by one. Ctrl R. Align the text to the right of the screen. Ctrl P. For print purpose. Ctrl V. To paste the copied text. Ctrl L. Align the selected text to the left. The correct answer is answer A. Ctrl L. Like, share, subscribe. Computer Code channel. Click the bell icon. Thank you.